how to add the SmartThings routine widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on widgets. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on SmartThings. Next in here, you can choose a small widget, medium size or a larger size. Then drag it to your home screen and let go. In here, tap on allow. Then tap on continued. Then tap on allow again. And that's it. So that is how you can add the SmartThings widget to the home screen. Now, depending on if you have any connected device or not, when you have connected device, it will show on the widget on your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.